Do this, guys, to get rich online making Fortnite maps with Verseify AI, my AI software company that will literally make your games out of thin air. I'm not kidding. Let me show you. So all we have to do is just press login and you're going to see a beautiful UI on the screen. Pretty much this is Verseify, and this is how you can create your games out of thin air and the coding mechanics to make your games in a split of a second. So for example, let's just say we wanted to create like a double pump script. Well, this is exactly how you can do it. Right here, create me a double pump script. All you have to do is just press enter and the AI is going to generate you a verse code double pump script coding mechanic. It's that easy, guys. Here is the code to get this actually fully functional and working. I'm going to load it inside of Unreal Editor to show you guys that this is actually fully capable code that you guys can use to make your games, because this is revolutionary. This is what's going to immensely help you make more money online making Fortnite maps. All right, guys, so we are inside of UEFN and I'm about to put in Verseify's double pump script that it is AI coded and generated for us, and it's seriously the easiest things to do. All we have to do is press Verse Explorer at the top right. Obviously, I already have a project open, so you guys can go ahead and open up your own creative verse device, but since it's generated, all we have to do is double click inside of the outliner and copy and paste the code that Verseify has generated us. So all we have to do is just right click, press copy, and all we have to do is paste it in just like this. As you guys can see, we have just copy and pasted the code that Verseify has generated us. As you guys can see, this is a one-to-one match of the actual code to show you guys that this is actually working. So now I'm going to load up inside of UEFN and show you guys the script in action that you guys can replicate and emulate the top people inside of the space that will make you guys more money online, because with the software you're going to be able to achieve your wildest fantasies and bring your wildest dreams to life. All right, guys, so we uploaded inside of Fortnite Creative and UEFN, and now I'm going to show you guys the working double pump script made by Verseify. So all we have to do, guys, is go ahead and just start the game. The next script is going to be a Tycoon script, so stay tuned for that, because I'm also going to be showing you how you can make your thumbnails as well. But as you guys can see, all we have to do is press interact, and every time we shoot, we now have double pump and the ammo refreshes and reloads. Is this not insane, guys? Like, double pump in the flesh of Fortnite. Like, this is what you guys want to be using Verseify for. That aura ring that I have in there, I custom put that inside of the code with Verseify. This is with the player market device, but it's also with Verseify made as well. It's kind of insane, the possibilities of what's possible with AI. So without further ado, I want to show you guys a Tycoon script, which is going to make you guys hundreds and thousands of dollars. I kid you not. But I want to acknowledge and express this to you guys that this video that you're about to see is a few days older. I have a different clothing. I have a different haircut. The only reason why it's older is because I do not have time. I'm currently away at the time that I recorded this content. So I hope that really quickly clears up any confusion. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so let's go back onto Verseify. We can go ahead and just open up a new project. We can call this one Dropper Tycoon Device. Obviously, you can use the same chat, but it's memorizing what you actually put in. It's learning from its mistakes, you know? It's getting better over time, like Iron Man Jarvis. So what we're going to do is search up create me a Fortnite Tycoon Dropper Device. And as you guys can see, it is going to generate a fully functional Tycoon Dropper Device right before your eyes. As you guys can see, we have the Tycoon, we have all of the prompts and steps that it's telling you to actually set up this device that we can just copy and paste, okay? It's crazy because the possibilities with this are seriously endless. You create the possibilities. You are limitless. You can do whatever you want. So we're going to set up this Tycoon code and show you guys that it's actually fully functional and working. So I'm now copy and pasting the code. If you guys want this code, you guys can join the Discord and the link in the description. And obviously, we're still inside of our Fortnite session, so we can go back inside of UEFN and put in the code. Okay, so we are inside of UEFN right now, and all we have to do is just go ahead and open up a new project, press add new verse file to project, and we're going to call this Dropper Device. Or we can just call it Dropper. That's shorter, easier. And all we have to do is just open up the verse code project file and press Control V. And as you guys can see, fully functional Dropper Tycoon code. We can go ahead and press build successfully. And as you guys can see, it's building successfully. And now all we have to do is press build verse code at the top here. And as you guys can see, when I get rid of the search bar and we go to VCT content, we now have a Dropper Tycoon device. So let's go ahead and set this up. So right now, all we have to do is set up the Dropper device. As we have all of these triggers here, this is all we have to do, guys. So what we can do is go to all and search up trigger. We're going to need a few of these because that is what we need. So what we can do is copy and paste them nice and easily, and we can go ahead and link the triggers to the specified devices it needs to go to. So we have an income trigger, and we can also have a billboard. So let's go grab the billboard device. Like I said, guys, Verseify is insane, guys. Like, you're never going to have to struggle ever making games. So we can go grab the billboard device. There it is. And then this would be the Dropper device. So obviously we do not have a Dropper device yet, so we can go ahead and make one. But I'm going to add this default one right here. And all we have to do, guys, is just press save changes, and you're going to see the Tycoon fully functional with the Dropper device. So let's go ahead and launch a session and show you guys. Okay, so we're inside of the session. Obviously, we still have the double pump device working. That's all great and stuff. But now, if we step on these triggers, as you guys can see on the top left, it's showing that we're generating money. Obviously, I don't have any money actually set up. This is what removes it. This is what claims it. And over here, we have a billboard sample text right here. So look, it's showing the money and the integers right here. I don't know if you guys could see that little zero. So the more that I step on this, obviously, I'm never going to be getting money because I don't actually have it in the code set up. But if I set it up, you're going to see money being generated. So this is like the Dropper device. This is fully functional and working. And of course, we still have the double pump device fully working and the Tycoon device system working as well. So right now we're about to load into some Fortnite maps that Verseify has exclusively made so you guys can replicate and emulate the top people inside of the space and make more money online. These are the types of Fortnite maps that you guys want to be emulating and replicating, so I highly advise you guys to check inside of the games while I'm reacting to them and showing you guys what you guys need to do. So the game that you guys need to replicate and emulate is called Outpost First Person. As you guys know, first person maps are super relevant and prevalent inside of Fortnite UEFN right now because Fortnite just rolled out a feature called first person mode inside of creative where you guys can make your UEFN maps in first person like Call of Duty. So this is exactly what you guys want to be doing. So while I'm checking out this game and showing you what Verseify has generated and made for us, I want you guys to hop inside of the game just like I am right here, as you guys can see. So here we have the first person game that Verseify has AI coded and made with the brand new feature that we're rolling out very soon, which we will not be mentioning until a further video when we can actually publicly announce it. But if you guys go in this portal here and we hop in, we can see this game and all of its glory that it has to offer. So if we go here, we have a nice UI here. And as you can see, obviously we're in first person. If we go ahead and go through the map here, this is a custom mini map that you can make with the thumbnail editor inside of Verseify, because we do have a thumbnail designer rolling out very soon. And we also have a creator program, so where you guys can actually earn money by referring people and customers inside of Verseify. It's an affiliate program that's dropping very soon. If you guys want exclusive access and early access, you guys can hit me up in the Discord or my buddy Logan Atmos. But these are the types of games you guys want to be making, because if you guys go on Fortnite GG, this is what you guys need to be doing. This is why this is popular. This game has thousands of players and you guys need to be checking this out. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is why this game has 113,000 players in a single day, because this game was literally just posted 3 days ago and it's already made $82,000. I kid you not. If we go to the all-time revenue that it's made, $86,000, so pretty close. But like, this is unheard of traction on the first day of a launch of a game. Obviously we know that Squid Games 2 just released, but even if we go ahead and look at the trailer, it's not even that like appealing. Like, we just have the nice Squid Game room. This is like the old room. I don't know if this guy got exclusive access to Squid Games. Maybe it was like an exclusive collaboration, but this doll right here was not in the first version. I don't think. I don't know if this is in the second game, but these are the types of games that you guys want to be grabbing towards. Like, if you guys look at the descriptions too, very simplistic. The description is very straightforward, and a lot of you guys at home when you're watching my content, I see you guys make games inside of my Discord. You say that I've changed your life. I'm very thankful for that, but you're just not making the best games possible. And with Verseify, you can really achieve that as well with Fort Mafia, you know? So the next thing that I want to show you guys is how you guys can get free games in code completely free inside of my Discord, which is in the link in the description, and Verseify is in the link in the description as well. But if you guys go to the link in the description, you guys can get free games in code in this section right here. Hundreds and thousands of verse code that you guys can go ahead and download and make millions of dollars making Fortnite maps. And this community is completely free. Obviously, we have Fort Mafia, which is a paid section where I will group call and coach and mentor you, but that is a topic for another day. And with all of you guys that are still watching this video, what did you guys think of this video so far? Because obviously the content's going to get progressively better. I'm getting kind of bored of what I'm posting because I'm kind of doing the same thing, as I'm the only person in the entire world doing what I'm doing, and I'm the only person in the entire world that can really make this popular, because nobody's gonna be able to beat me, I promise you. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the channel. It truly means the world to me, as I'm trying to get over to 100,000 subscribers by the end of next year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I promise you the quality and consistency is gonna get visually and improve way over time. Right now, I'm just in a point in my life where I just need to lock in and get to work, and I'm gonna make Fortnite map making the biggest thing of all time the world has ever seen. The biggest hustle, the biggest mission, the biggest business ever, and you're gonna see it within your eyes. So I love you guys so much, man. Thank you guys so much for watching this content. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Click the last video on the screen. I'm out. Peace.